So welcome back to class, guys. I'll be sharing my movie with the video compressor now. This is the video compressor. This is the video compressor. It's asking me to share it with it just once or always. That means anytime I use Benime, should I always share to the video compressor? Yes. In case you forget, just always allow video compressor to access photos and media files on your device. Allow. Just wait. Then you can either choose the small file with high quality, medium file, or the medium file with high quality. The medium file with high quality will be the best for you. Like I said, this video is 10 MB, but we'll compress it very soon. You can have the large file and large file with high quality, and so then please make sure you don't tamper with anything here, anything around this place. Don't change it. Just pick your medium file with high quality in the bracket, which is this medium file with high quality. Then click on compress to compress your video. File name introduction. You can delete audio or not, though I'm using the paid version of the video compressor also. So let me start. It's compressing the video already. You can stop compressing the video, so to stop the video, then you can maybe adjust it or do anything you want. And you can also enable background processing so that even when you leave the app, it will continue compressing the video. So this is how you use your video compressor. It's compressing already. Look at it here. 256 KB. That's kilobytes. Though the video has not been fully compressed, but from 10 MB, even if the video is compressed to 1 MB, you still save 9 MB of storage. That's all your space, the space on your phone, and your data also when sharing it. So it's able to compress it to 822 kilobytes from 10 megabytes. From 10 megabytes to 822.64 kilobytes. So using the paid version, I can delete the original video. That is the one we got from the Benime app, and I'll share this one. It will just be of a lower quality. It will not be really blur, so I can delete the original using this button, or I'll delete this video, this one of 822 kilobytes, using this delete button. I can compare the two videos here. I can share it maybe to WhatsApp or anything, and I can play this completed video. And if I type done, that will be all. So I know I've created the video. So let me just show you. It's not really different from this. The hand here looks, the hand in the original video looks brighter than this, so does not really have much effect on the video, but it saves you your space and your data. Thank you once again for your attention.